Hey, what's going on, everyone? Todd G here. In this video, Internet Income System Review and Bonuses, Commissions, how much money does it pay? I go over the different levels of the Internet Income System Review. How much money does the Internet Income System pay out with each level, and all of the details. But first, I would appreciate it if you click on that subscribe button below and like this video by clicking the thumbs up icon below as well. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how to access all of the amazing bonuses included with the Internet Income System bonuses with my link below this video. Okay, well, buckle up for this one. It has a lot of details, but very valuable information. The Internet Income System currently has 4 levels. The first level is called Builder. At this level, IAS gives you all the tools and training via Atlas Academy that you need to start building your business. The tools inside of the Internet Income System include the system itself, which provides automatic coding to your referrals, the video funnel software that allows you to create one-page video funnels for branding, bridge pages, etc. Super easy. The invitation tool that allows you to enter a warm market's lead names, information, and email in and send them free value-based training to entice them to sign up for IIS. The new $5 funnels, which gives you a low-ticket front-end tripwire to again provide value and entice your leads to upgrade. Automated tracking, tagging, and analytics. A new traffic rotator that sends you free traffic from the Internet Income System ads, and these are quality leads. An easy-to-follow onboarding process so that new signups can get their businesses up and running quickly. An affiliate marketplace with recommended tools and systems where you can make additional commissions. The Internet Income System Facebook group where you can get all your questions answered. All of the Atlas Academy training. The Atlas Academy has all the Internet Income System bonuses in it and is just fantastic. Now, I will discuss the Atlas Academy more later in this video. Now, the builder level is $100 a month and pays out 100% commissions directly and instantly to you. No waiting on payouts. The payment goes directly to you. The Internet Income System second level is called Creator. At this level, you are starting to create long-term momentum to build a consistent pipeline of leads and sales. The Creator level gives you everything in the Builder level, plus access to over 6,000 short video clips that are done for you that you can use in your social media marketing. IIS also has training on how to use these videos. In addition, when you unlock the Creator level, you also get access to the additional training in the Atlas Academy. Creators will unlock full access to this academy where they learn how to set up faceless social media profiles, how to create content for them, and how to schedule the content out in advance so that they are automated. Creators also get the FAST Bootcamp, which stands for Faceless Automation and Social Traffic. This program sold for $1,000 during the summer of 2023. This was one of the hottest selling product launches of the summer, generating over 6 figures in sales, and IIS and Atlas are giving it away for free as a bonus to creators. Creators also get access to the Agency Academy training, which shows you everything on how to run your own digital marketing agency. As you up your skill level, there are many business owners out there that would gladly pay you for your expertise if you choose to provide them your expert services. The Agency Academy also has the TikTok Ads Academy, which is currently featured inside of the Agency Academy, and it teaches members how to generate leads for $2 each using TikTok ads, as well as getting real followers for just 1 penny each. Finally, creators unlock 40% commissions on all creator upgrades. The creator level is a one-time purchase of $250. You pay 40%, you get 40% or $100. The person that referred you gets 40% commissions or $100, and the company Internet Income System gets $50. These commissions are direct and immediately paid to you, your referrer, as a bonus, and IIS. The third Internet Income System level is the mentor level. At this level, you are becoming a mentor with the right skills and mindset to help others succeed. The mentor level has access to everything in the builder and creator, plus perk number 1, 50 plus videos from YouTube marketing legend Marcus Taylor. Marcus Taylor has created YouTube content for some of the biggest channels in the world, such as Motiversity, and mentors can access his training. Now, he has gained tens of millions of views using mostly faceless videos. This training has a lot to it. There's a 10-day challenge, there's the 7 key course, there's the January through December reflections, there are interviews with multiple marketers, there's motivation, there's stories, there's just a ton of information in this training. It's amazing. In addition to the training from Marcus, Atlas Academy gives you access to bonus number 1, the AI Academy by Chris Record. This program sold for $497 during the summer of 2023. Mentors will unlock full access to this academy where they will learn how to use cutting-edge AI tools to create faceless content, write email campaigns, create short-form videos, talking avatars, and so much more. This was one of the hottest product launches of the summer, generating over 6 figures in sales. And again, Atlas and IIS are giving it away for free as a bonus to mentors. There's another bonus for mentors. That's Atlas bonus number 2, the Mastermind Academy by Chris Record. This mastermind sold for $2,000 per session from 2018 to 2019. Mentors will unlock all replays from this mastermind, featuring 7-figure and 8-figure online marketers like Kiela Koenig and Billie Jean, and several others. There's limitless value in these mastermind replays, and you can unlock the ability to watch them on demand as soon as you unlock Mentor. Bonus number 3, Mentor Mondays with Chris Record. Every Monday at noon Pacific, Chris Record meets with all the mentors that own the mentor package for some additional small group mentoring. This is your opportunity to ask questions, get advice, get feedback on your affiliate promotions, and get the mentorship you need to level up. Chris Record's time is extremely valuable, so this small group interaction is perfect for those that desire that personalized experience in business. Finally, mentors unlock 40% commissions on all mentor upgrades. The mentor level is a one-time purchase of $1,000. You get 40%, $400. The person that referred you also gets 40%, $400. And the company, Internet Income System, gets $200. These commissions are direct and immediately paid to you, your referrer as a bonus, and IIS. The last level for the Internet Income System is the Master level. The Master level gives you access to the live in-person masterminds and all of the replays. It also gives you access to training like how to structure your business properly, to maximize profits, minimize expenses, and other things like taxes. It also shows you how to create wealth with investment strategies and other high-level business strategies. This was rolled out recently, and there's been 1 live mastermind in Las Vegas so far. The plans are to have 4 live in-person masterminds per year where you can attend in person and mastermind with Chris Record, Jeffrey Long, and other speakers and successful people. Since the mastermind package is new, all the bonuses have not been updated yet. But knowing how the other packages are loaded up with bonuses, I'm sure that the master level will have some amazing bonuses as well. The Master also unlocks 20% commissions on all Master upgrades. The Master level is a one-time purchase of $5,000. You get 20%, $1,000. The person that referred you also gets 20%, $1,000. And the company, IIS, gets $3,000. Now you might ask why IIS gets 60% or $3,000 for the Master level. Well, it's because in-person on-site events cost more money to host than virtual online events. Event venues like hotels, audio-visual setups, professional recordings, food, and other costs are not cheap, and neither is the talent, like very successful speakers and such. There's also discussions of adding a new beginner level called Starter or Student. This will be a free level to join with limited training, but access to upgrade to one of the new $5 funnels. Now, you must own each of whichever of the $5 funnel that you want to promote in order to receive commissions on that funnel. The $5 funnels are 100% commissionable with instant payouts as well. Now, right now, IIS is planning to roll out 4 or 5 $5 funnels with masterclass trainings on such subjects like network marketing, AI marketing, faceless marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. Now, the details haven't been published yet, so don't hold me to exactly the structure or training. Okay, so those are all the internet income system levels and commissions and how much they cost. I should mention that you have to be qualified at each level in order to qualify and earn the commission for that level. If you aren't qualified, example, i.e. you don't own that level, the commission is passed up to the next affiliate that is qualified. Also, there's a qualification system to each level, meaning you must have 5 qualifications at each level in order to qualify for commissions. But when you purchase that level, those 5 qualifications are met. So what does this mean exactly? Well, what this means is that if you are not qualified for a particular level or levels, you would pass up the first 5 commissions. After the 5 pass-ups to the next qualified person, you would then be qualified to receive commissions for each level that you are qualified. But you would not have access to the training and bonuses for any level unless you purchase that level of training. Now, one thing that I absolutely love about the Internet Income System and Atlas Academy is the transparency on pricing, commissions, levels, etc. There are so many companies out there that hide the pricing, especially for higher ticket courses or coaching. IIS is super transparent about all of that, and there's nothing to fear about hidden costs or high pressure sales via some quote-unquote coach that is really just a phone sales expert trying to use some bait and switch tactics. Okay, as promised, now that I've covered the latest Internet Income System update and how the pricing works, let's look at all the amazing bonuses that are part of the Internet Income System. This training is called Atlas Academy and was created and taught by 8-figure earner and marketing legend Chris Record. Now, Chris has been creating internet income for over 20 years, having made his first sales online back in 1998. Since then, he has gone on to generate close to $50 million in online revenue and truly is the GOAT when it comes to teaching and training others on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. He has touched 8 figures several times and consistently generates 7 figures per year as an affiliate marketer. Chris knows what it takes to create internet income, and he knows how to effectively teach you what he knows so that you can implement and see results. Chris is a caring and compassionate person who truly wants to see you win. Let's look at what you get with the Internet Income System bonuses with Atlas Academy. These bonuses come with the builder level and are in addition to the bonuses mentioned above with the other levels. Now, Atlas stands for Affiliate Traffic, Leads, and Sales. And that's exactly what they teach inside of Atlas Academy 5 days per week as a member. Now, in addition to the daily 5 days per week training, which by the way, each session is at least an hour, sometimes 2. All of these academies are included inside the Atlas Academy bonuses. Affiliate Marketing Academy, Paid Traffic Academy, Faceless Content Academy, Viral Clipping Academy, AI Marketing Academy, High Level Marketing Academy, List Building Academy, Mindset Academy, YouTube Marketing Academy, Additional Value Training Academies, Review Zone, Tutorials. Atlas has its own Facebook group, live Zoom calls 5 days a week, 1 to 2 hours per day, access to all the live Zoom replays, and much, much more. Now, I should mention that all the academies mentioned above are usually 1 to 2 hours each in 5 sessions. So each one of those academies has 5 modules that are at least an hour each. Now that's over $2,000 in bonuses easily with the training in Atlas Academy and Internet Income System bonuses. Now, I actually think it could be closer to $5,000 or more after going through many of the training modules. And again, there are live Zooms 5 times per week with access to the replays. Now, Chris not only teaches new and cutting-edge marketing that works now, he does it in a way that's easy to understand and implement. He also does periodic reviews of members' marketing on these live sessions. Make sure you click the link below to see all of the details. Okay, that's about it for this video, but I will have more videos that dive deeper into the various components of the Internet Income System reviews, including a high-level overview, an over-the-shoulder back office review, compensation plan details, a detailed Atlas Academy review, etc. That's it for now. Go ahead and click that link in the description below to see all of the details about the Internet Income System review and bonuses, and also learn more about the Internet Income System and Atlas Academy. That's it for this Internet Income System review and bonuses, commissions, how much money does it pay video. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.